This one's a party song. You won't know any of the words except two. You can take two words. We're back.
All right.
We've had some people up here who live in Penticton. We're from 5 hours away from Penticton. Is anyone here from 11? 5 hours away from Penticton? Who's from here? Who's local?
Yeah, who's local? Raise your
You
hand.
guys are awesome.
Awesome, yeah,
Everyone
fantastic.
else is awesome too. But this is the first time Jordan has ever needed help on stage ever. And it's right now. He says, whoa!
Yeah, we're good to go. All right, sing along. You know the words.
It's a party song, or a few multiple words.